drive away the growing number of wild boars. The farmer actually brought in a helicopter. The startled boars scattered in all directions. As more and more boars appeared near the village, they began coming down the mountain in search of food. They marched straight into the villagers' fields. In just half a day, the crops were completely wiped out. Facing such large numbers, the villagers didn't dare confront them head-on, so they tried putting up fences to protect their crops. But what they didn't expect was how powerful these animals could be. The boars broke through the barriers with ease. They rushed into the fields again, clearing everything inside. Some even raised their young right there in the farmland. It was as if the village had become their new home. With more piglets being born, the population grew rapidly. Soon, boars from nearby areas also joined in. The villagers set up more fences at the roads to catch a few of them, but the sheer number was overwhelming. Fences alone simply couldn't stop the invasion. Now the farmer has turned to helicopters for help. But will this really be enough to drive the boars away once and for all?